Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's a girl Dipped in Chocolate. So from the title down below, you know that today is a girly girls day. So today I'll be buying some self-care products for myself and also doing a mini shopping vlog. You see me lotioning because I'm getting ready because the cab is downstairs. Yeah. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. Let's go. Let's do a fit check. So this is what I'm wearing. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Yes, we should do it. Tracker card, then
So guys, my first stop will be at the Dollar Tree. As I said, I'm trying to make my room more comfy, so I'm trying to put some nice little things in it. I'm not gonna overdo it because but I'm gonna try and make it as comfortable as possible. So I'm showing you what I want. Alrighty guys, so we are at Dollar Tree and going in. Alrighty. So guys, I was basically saying that nothing really sparked my interest in Dollar Tree. They look very unorganized and it was not giving the vibe that I wanted for the day. So on to the next.
nothing here that I want.
Pancakes. It's like the Wild Wild West. And now I'm gonna go all the way back to the shores. Yeah, we'll have time tomorrow, babe. Okay? If you can't make that today, bring it tomorrow. I'm sorry. Bye-bye. Are you doing?
I'm now going to Ross because I didn't see anything in the Dollar Tree. In Dollar Tree that I wanted. In the other makeup store that I went, never saw anything that really captures me in terms of makeup type that I would usually use or I would like to try. So I went to Ross to get an outfit, or if I see something that I like, anything that captures my eye. Remember, today is a self-care vlog, so it's all about me and getting myself straight. Right, so continue watching. Guys, I'm now in Ross. The clothes so far are looking nice. I see some jeans and some sweatsuit that look nice. I won't be buying any sweatsuit because the sun hot here, so that's not the vibe. So shorts and tank top and crop top is the vibe. Oh, here is kind of cheap because jeans don't usually go for $12. Jeans go for like $50 and over. So I don't know if they're having a sale, but most stores are having sales. Yep, I like this. This is cute. So I'm gonna look for another jeans and then we're gonna pick which one I should get. Makhalia go with everything. So right here I was basically deciding
between these two. Is either the light jeans or this dark jeans. I was saying that the dark jeans is too plain, and I'm more of a stylish girl, so I definitely went with the high waist light jeans. The dark jeans was $8 and the light jeans was $12. This is what I got in Ross, those 3 items, and then this is me at the checkout point. The total was, I think it was, I'm not sure, I'm going to have to check the receipt, but it was definitely under $30, and that is good.
So guys, I just came from Ross. It is I get some things I really like, so that's a plus. So now I'm in Walmart. I'm gonna get some food supplies and some personal stuff, so just keep on watching. So got these pineapples. These are for $3.48. I'm gonna get some grapes for $2. Maybe I get it from the back. Actually, for Walmart, I have a list, and I'm gonna come out of this section because I already have meat. So guys, last time I bought this rice, it tastes bad. Me not like it. It never tastes too good to me, and plus it's hard for cook. So what me kind of used to right now is the jasmine rice. Or me basically I get used to jasmine rice, so that me I go pick, because long grain it not nice to me. It don't nice. So jasmine right now.
This is the section I have always been waiting for. This is skincare section. So this is this cleansing water makeup remover. I have always seen the girlies use this, but I have never used it before, so I chose to buy the small one, so that, you know, if it does not work well with my skin, I can, you know, throw it away or replace it. So, you know, so I got the small one. There were other flavors, I think, but I just chose the yellow one. It's the first one. So I went over to the makeup, foundation, concealer section, and ladies, me nah lie, I am so happy because I am seeing my shade. Like, me I see my shade, and I was so happy because usually when I go to a makeup store or makeup section of a supermarket or a store, I don't really see my shade. So when I actually see my shade, I was so elated. So I definitely got the Fit Me foundation. See me that's for a show now because I'm so excited. So I am yet to try it out. So, you know, make a try it out. So basically I was in this beauty aisle looking on some other stuff, but I wasn't going to buy anything else. But I definitely need a primer and a moisturizer on my next trip to Walmart or any beauty store. I need to get some lashes also, but I think I'm going to buy my lashes off of Shein. Shein has some good lashes, so you guys can go over Shein and check out the lashes. I think these lashes are too expensive. I don't know what make them for real human ear, but if it is, I don't know. But me not buy them lashes for so much money. $6? $6 for this one lash? That's crazy. Can get like how much lashes over Shein for much for that. But guys, if una see me, I say please use it. And I went in there and I said Dossier, like, guys, I am so in love with Dossier. This is my favorite. See me a pine on it? Yes, my favorite, but enough money for you, but I love Dossier woody sandalwood. Like, girls, if me ever putting on to something, me putting on to that flavor. Me definitely I go come get it. Me not care or not say if cologne of a pass a certain amount of money. I found the business that me I smell good. So you know I had to get somebody to open the glass door for me, but I did not buy the dossier this journey. I actually got the Kenneth Cole perfume fragrance. Yeah, it is really nice. If you are to put like a citric and some flowers together, that's the scent. I don't know if I can explain it better.
So if y'all realize, there are beaches, restaurants, and everything close to this place, so I'm gonna be looking. Ooh. So I'm gonna look for. Oh, this is nice. Ah. Right there. So I'm gonna be looking at some beach shorts and some beach wear. I'm not gonna really buy anything, but still have it in mind. I'm gonna show y'all what's up. Yes, I'm now home, and these are the stuff that I bought myself personally. I bought this. I don't know what you call this, you know. Let me see what it name. So I bought myself this woolen top with this shorts version of it because it seems oversized. I'm put it around my neck. It might. I try it on. I should have tried it on, but I'm gonna wear it with it. I think it's cute, and I'm thinking about wearing it with my, is either this green shoes, green slippers with a green bag, or my silver Bridget sandals with a silver bag. Also this Kenneth Cole fragrance. Me personally, me love it. It gives a citric scent. It's flowery, but I can't explain it. I think it's more on the flower side, like a man could wear this and it wouldn't be considered a woman cologne. You understand? Yeah. I got this facial cleanser, also this makeup remover. I told you guys that I bought this small one because I don't know if it will agree with my skin, so I'm going to try it out with the small one first, and then I can go on to the big one. So that's all I got myself. Nothing too much. I brought press-on nails with me, so I didn't need to get any press-on nails or press-on toes. I'm not gonna show you all this look on because I'm thinking about wearing it, but I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Yeah. Other from the groceries that I bought, I don't know, this kind of give me a vibe. Other from the groceries that I bought, these are the only stuff that I got myself. Yeah. So this is my self-care day. Later on, I'll be using the scrub. I'll be taking a shower using my body scrub, also my herbal body wash, my herbal body butter, and I'll be using the black face mask. So I'll be showing you guys all of that, and you'll be seeing how I use how I perform my nightly routine, or just an aspect of my nightly routine. So continue watching.
hope you guys enjoyed that soothing session of me, you know, applying my skincare and also showing you a part of my shower routine. I don't know, but I love how the body scrub makes my body feel. So this is the African black soap body wash from Nuwaupian, the company Nuwaupian Limited. You guys can check them out. See, this lathers up so perfectly. Like, I can tell you, the scent is just so pleasing to the nostrils. It is very sturdy, so I used quite a lot, but I will know next time not to do that. It is just so moisturizing on my skin. You can see my skin is just glowing after that bath. So you know your girl is using Vaseline and using the vanilla body scrub from the Nuwaupian Limited company, and I also use a body oil. I don't know, I use quite a lot of stuff because they smell so good and the combination is just elite. So I have the 3 of them that I use on my body, but all 3 serve different purposes. The body butter, I use it all over, but I mostly use the oil on my face and on my neck. I use the lotion itself on my hands and on my feet. So yeah, I went ahead with the Dove in the scent coconut. That is what I use. It smells so good. So you guys can realize I love the scents vanilla and coconut. So now I'm taking off the black face mask. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would, but it kind of hurt while pulling it off. I don't think it did what it was supposed to do 100%. I think it did like 50% of the job, but I had to go ahead and burst all remaining blackhead. So now I'm going in with the Colgate toothpaste. You know, your oral health is one of the most important self-care that you can indulge in, and you know, you have to get your teeth, your gum and your tongue cleaned, and that's on everything. So now after all of that, I'm going in with the Palmer's cocoa butter oil. I love to use it on my face. It leaves my body feeling very moisturized, and after being using it for a couple months, it has not given me any breakouts, so I just use it all over and I love it so much. This is me, you know, performing in the bathroom as per usual. I'm going in with the Carmex lip balm, leaving my lips so moisturized and nice. I'm giving a piece of the performance. Murder. So yep, I'm finished now. So now I will be going to watch some movie. I wanted to go by the poolside and read a book, but I'm tired. No, because I've not been on the road all day, but I've been walking from store to store, so our girl is tired. So therefore, this is the end of the vlog. I already ate dinner, but I did not show you guys, but because it was leftovers and I wanted to show you something fresh. But I ate rice with fricassee chicken. That was really good. I cooked it. Your girl not only pretty, she can cook too, so don't play with it. Alright. Yes, so simple and just cute. I'll be adding some more products to my self-care list, but for now those are the only products that I've been using. My face looks so refreshed, guys. I don't know if it is the braids that is making so many bumps come up on my face, but you know me, the braids them soon come out of my head, so we will know if that or if my skin does a breakout because of the water or something.
But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. So until next time, what good?